Welcome to our Kuala Lumpur apartment tour here in Ampeg. This place is absolutely amazing for the price. It comes with a full gym with good equipment, a beautiful infinity pool that overlooks the area, and we really like these cool lights that are actually a part of the building next to us. The design of this place is very modern and appealing, something we haven't had since we've embarked on this journey. Now welcome to our studio apartment.
First, we have our kitchen area. We have our refrigerator that actually has like a full-size freezer, which is pretty cool to have. We just have like some random groceries, ice cream, chicken, stuff like that. And then our fridge as well, which is pretty stocked because we just went grocery shopping today. Maybe we'll do a grocery shopping video for you guys. We have our washer in here in the kitchen as well. This one is not a dryer, but it's okay. We usually just hang our stuff up around the house or outside on the balcony. We have our sink, our hot plate, and our stove, which is pretty cool to have both because I feel like besides Bangkok, we've had either one or the other, but not both. We have our microwave, which is amazing because since we've been gone, we've either had to eat all our food or try to find like a homeless person or someone to give it to, or just really let it go to waste. So that's been pretty amazing to have in case we would like to heat up something that we got while we're out. Also, just have like some random drawers with like snacks and cooking utensils and random things like that for the kitchen. So across from the kitchen, we have our bathroom. It's probably the nicest bathroom that we've had since we've left. Just have a sink, toilet, shower, but it's definitely nicer than what you guys have seen. So it's nice to have an upgrade. We're definitely excited to just have a prettier bathroom, which just makes getting ready nicer. So over here we have our living room area, pretty basic, just our TV, coffee table, and then our couch. One of the lights on the couch is broken from the previous guest who went to the Airbnb, but the owner should be replacing that for us soon. And that leads us to our bedroom area. This is just some closet space that we have, our actual bed, and then 2 nightstands. Over here is just our dresser area. I just have some makeup, random supplies for getting ready. And after that, that just leads us to our balcony. And this is pretty much our balcony. We love it. It has a little table and we just sit in here, take in the view, and really just look at it, what a huge city KL is. We've been loving it here so far, and this is where we've been staying. Hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.